I made mention at the top of this thing that I wanted to tell you guys why you're actually luckier if you saw a thunderstorm tonight. Okay, so I'm going to flip this back around. So, see if I can explain this. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do a very good job at this, but here we go. So to see to get a thunderstorm, just to get any old thunderstorm, I talked about this on the Thunder Sleet post that I had the other day here on Facebook. If you want more information about that, you can go find it. To get a thunderstorm, you've got to have a lot of warm air underneath a lot of cold air, because warm air wants to rise, and the faster it rises, that's how you get a thunderstorm, is you get air that's rising really quick. Okay. To get thunder snow, I mean, yeah, so it's cold at the surface, but it just has to be really cold aloft, and then you just get the difference between the two. This is in the Thunder Sleet post. I was pointing out that the difference between a thunderstorm in the Gulf and the Thunder Sleet that we had the other day, in terms of temperature here to temperature here, was the same, and that's how you got the thunderstorm. Okay, so thunder snow is unique because it happens when it's cold outside and it's snowing, but I would argue that it's even more unique to have a thunderstorm, and not even thunder sleet, but a thunderstorm in 34 degrees like we had tonight for a lot of folks, because you end up in a situation where not only is it warm enough down here to keep everything liquid, but as you move up, it's also warm enough to keep it liquid the whole way up, and yet it's also cold enough aloft to set up that difference between the two temperatures to actually get a thunderstorm. Very, very, very rare and very difficult to do, because you're only 2 degrees away from freezing stuff. And so you've got to have it at just the right temperature, at just the right heights, all the way up in order to get that. I mean, really, if you saw a thunderstorm tonight, you'll never see another thunderstorm the rest of your life in 33 and 34 degrees. I can almost guarantee it. I've been, paying attention, very close attention to the weather for 30 plus years. This is the coldest thunderstorm I've ever seen, and it beat the coldest thunderstorm I've ever seen by 10 full degrees. So, if you caught a thunderstorm tonight, this is the coldest thunderstorm you're ever going to see. And you can see thunder snow. We'll get thunder. I mean, we got it in 93 down here. We had thunder snow again in 98 down here. I think we had thunder snow again in 2005 down here. We had thunder snow again, it was a couple of years just north of us. It wasn't in our area, but I mean just north of I-20. So thunder snow happens once every 5 to 10 years. A thunderstorm with no sleet or snow in it, a full-fledged all-rain thunderstorm in 33 and 34 degrees. Whew, that's tough to do.